Getting an installation error in LDPlayer, like it won't install, fails midway, or shows an error code. Yam! Let's fix that step by step. First, make sure your PC actually supports LDPlayer, low RAM, outdated CPU, or a missing virtualization can block installation. Next, run the installer as admin. This avoids permission-related install errors. Sometimes your antivirus blocks the install. Disable it during installation, then turn it back on later. Make sure you have enough storage. Low disk space can cause installation to fail. Virtualization is required for proper setup. Enable Intel VT-X or AMD-V before installing. On Windows, Hyper-V can conflict with installation. Turn it off, then restart your PC. Always use the latest installer. Old versions may not work on newer systems. Check for missing system files. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Read distributables if needed. If it still fails, do a clean install. Remove leftover files before reinstalling. So check requirements, run as admin, disable conflicts, and install fresh. That's the complete fix for LDPlayer installation errors in 2026.